Today we're showing you a 2021 John Deere 5100E tractor. Comes with a John Deere 540M quick attach front end loader. The tractor has just under 800 hours on it. It's a nice, clean, good running tractor. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. The 540M loader is the heavier loader for these tractors. The standard loader was a 520M, so this does have the 540, which is the heavier version. The loader itself does have plumbing for front hydraulic here. However, the tractor is not set up for that, so that is not connected in any way to the tractor. That can certainly be done, but currently is not hooked up to the tractor. Bucket's in nice shape. Doesn't look like it's been used. Has the John Deere style quick attach for your bucket connection. Cosmetics in the tractor are excellent. Very, very nice tractor. Tires are good. The fronts do show some wear, as you would expect from a tractor in this hour range, but overall, tires in the back here are really good yet as well. Work lights on the cab has a corner post exhaust. Work lights on the back of the cab as well. Fenders are in nice shape. It is missing the plugs back here. I believe we probably have those plugs. It looks like they just did not get reinserted there. 540 and 540E PTO has extendable 3-point arms as well as a stabilizer bars on both 3-point arms. Drawbar and top link are both with the machine. Dual remotes. If you're looking for a nice haying tractor, baling tractor, feeding tractor, anything to that nature, this one will certainly fit that ticket. Inside the cab, it does have the air ride seat for the operator, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Has the left-hand power reverser, which allows you to change direction without clutching. 12-speed transmission, has 3 ranges and 4 gears. And then also your loader control, hydraulic controls, 3-point PTO, everything is located to the right there. Up top you have climate controls, radio, sun visor, rear view mirror. And as you can see, the interior of the cab is in nice shape as well. It does have, again, the factory warranty, which runs into, looks like February of 2026. So lots of warranty left on the machine. If you take trades, we also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.